you royals. I am about to expose the ultimate soybean powder mix, okay, for your babies above 1 year old. This is not like the last one that we made that was for babies below 1 year old. That was just literally soybean, the actual bean, and dates as sweetener. This one is an upgrade. And I must warn you, don't give this to your baby that is below 1 year old. I am going to show you, or rather, I'm going to expose. This is top secret. This is my secret, and I'm going to expose it to you, royals. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we are working with for this particular nutrient packed soybean mix. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to not skip any part, and I'll try as much as possible to make this video short. I've already prepped all my ingredients, okay, like the beans, I've already toasted them, literally everything. You're gonna see. Let's go check it out. Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend, 'cause that's on the location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come. Let me repeat myself again so that people at the back can hear me. Do not give your baby that is below 1 year old this particular mix that I'm about to show you. Okay, it is not for them. It is not for them. I actually fear that the nutrient packed mix that we're about to make right now, it can actually overpower their immune system, and possibly their body might not be able to digest everything, and they'll just be growing fat. Like, they'll just be growing fat. And of course, let me also put this out there that just because a baby is not fat, it does not mean that they are not healthy. Okay, your baby must not be fat for you to actually say, oh, this baby is healthy. And some people, if your baby is now has a tiny stature, you're like, your baby is not healthy. Please, let's all stop that. So we're gonna be using 1 pint of soybean. This is actually 1 pint of soybean, and I know it's so big because look at this bowl. It is so big. This 1 pint of soybean, I've already roasted it. Like you can see the color. I've already roasted it. If I actually try to peel it, you see that shows it has been well roasted. Okay, this is 1 pint of soybean. The next thing I'm going to be making use of is oats. Yes, like I said, this is going to be packed with nutrients. Oats is good because it's going to help to give it the fiber content, in the soybean. Because where I normally ground my soybean, they peel off the back. I'm taking this into the market to grind it because this is not something a manual blender can do. Can you see? They take off the back, and then, like, if you watch my last soybean video, you're going to actually get the full gist. Okay, you're going to get the full gist of how the process works and everything. I'm just trying to show you a new recipe. So yeah, note everything down. So this is oats. This is regular oats, the one that you make to drink. But there's a twist here. I actually toasted this for a few minutes so that it's going to be easy to crunch up and like get a smooth fine powder. And that I'm going to be adding it to the soybean mix. The next thing obviously is dried plantain. These were sun dried. They were raw plantains. Okay, dried raw plantain. You can actually dry yours in the oven if you have it, but I dried mine out in the sun. Okay, I love it natural. I dried it out in the sun. The next ingredient, very very important, would be nuts. This is a combination of groundnuts and cashew nuts. This contains healthy fats. Okay, like nuts, they generally contain healthy fats, and I need other nutrients for my baby. The most important, like, controversial ingredient here is white granulated sugar. Honestly, I would prefer you use the sugar cube, the white sugar cube, if you're trying to make it for a toddler's consumption. You get what I mean? But I'm going to be using the white granulated sugar. I thought I had enough sugar cubes here, but unfortunately I didn't have that. So I'm going to be making use of white granulated sugar. This is actually a 1/4 pint. Yes, this is a 1/4 pint of white granulated sugar. So I'm not going to be using everything. Basically, I'm going to be taking out about 2 cups because we are working with a large quantity here, and I don't want to be tasting raw plantains in my soybean mix. So I'm going to be taking out about probably 1.5 cup or 2 cup. Let's take this one out. I'm going to be using it for other projects. Now let's see. I think I'm going to manage this one. This is what I'll be using to sweeten it. And another important thing to note is that sugars serve as preservative. Okay, I know that this quantity I'm trying to make is actually very big, and because it contains natural ingredients, there's a tendency for it to start growing mold, which white sugar is going to prevent it. People who are into baking will actually testify to what I'm talking about. Sugar is a preservative. So me adding white sugar to this instead of natural date is going to prevent our formula or our mix coming up with mold anytime, like soonest. Sugar is going to preserve it until we are done consuming all these nutrients. Like look at what we have here. We have the soybean, the oats, nuts, dried plantain, and of course sugar. This is the quantity I'll be working with. I'm sure this is going to do. Yeah, it just has to do. This is going to do. I'm sure of that. And then we'll let us quickly wrap this up, and yeah, we'll go over to the market to grind it. Alright, so you royals, I just got back, and this is the quantity of soybean that I got. This one has been closed for way too long though. This is the quantity. Oh my god, like I'm so happy about the contents. Okay, this nutrient packed soybean. This is so nutritious. Let me get a spoon. You can definitely, you can't see that, but like let me show you how smooth this is. Like this is so smooth. I think I'm gonna get a paper and then I will do a paper test. But let me actually pour this into my containers now. Let's see how much soybean powder we actually got. This is for soybean This is an empty Tekas container I have lying around. And then I also have more containers for soybean. These are specifically for soybean. Oh my god. I said it. I had actually more soybean granola. I had more here. But it's all moldy now. So I'm just going to discard that later. Let me actually fill these containers up. I need a... What's this? No? I need something. I'm going to use this to fill everybody up. So here goes nothing. Please don't follow. Not a single one on the ground because I won't take it. I'm going to take it. Yeah. Alright. Yes. It's actually still hot. I need to pour it into the container now. I think I took too much. This is going to take forever if I continue like this. Like till when? Okay, this is working. Okay, this is working. I'll just squeeze it in. That looks like it's working. You see, here's a huge chunk. Wow, I'm so excited. This is my nutrient-packed soybean, and I can't wait for my baby to have this. And my man, oh my god, that one, he loves soybeans. He loves when I make soybeans. I'm gonna be honest, he was actually the one that bought the soybean just to prompt me that you need to make another soybean. The last one has finished. Like, he bought the soybean and then I bought the rest of the ingredients that I used because only me know what I want to add to that soybean. I want to give my home the best and only the best. So that makes sense. Oh, this is awesome. I want it to get to every corner, like, because we usually go over to this container last. We normally start taking from these smaller containers before we go to the big one. Like, once we start, that's how I know that okay, it's actually time to make another batch. I think we are full. Like, look at that. We are full, but I'm going to make sure it's more full because it can never be too full. This house. Once they see it, they'll just be things like teeth, hoodlums. Alright, we are full. We're so full now. This is so full. Okay. That's good. I'm gonna have to do this to get everybody inside. Not a single one is gonna waste. So I have a bit of a mess down here. So this is full now, very, very full. It's time to fill up these little containers. This one looks like you still have something there. I'll get rid of it, literally, all of them. And I replaced it with freshly made soya bean powder. I feel like this spoon is too tiny. So here's a bigger spoon. What was I thinking?
can actually fill 2 more containers, but I think it can 2 for 1. It's gonna actually 2 for 1. Let's see what we're gonna get. So this is what we have. My big checkers, 3 huge medium containers, and then this is half. Like, look at the content. Straight. So it's somewhere here. We are officially stocked, Euros. Don't mind me. This is actually sweat. I really did the hard work today. Okay, like a lot of things were going on behind the scenes. I didn't just make soybean powder or soya milk. Yes, soya milk powder. I didn't just make soya milk powder today. But yeah, thank you, Royal, so much for coming with me to make this batch. I hope you really enjoyed the video. And of course, do make sure to try this out for your family, with your family. I cannot wait to see your reviews. We are officially stocked, stocked on Soya Milk. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.
But then I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in the car.